Hello, Tashidele to everyone. Welcome back, learning basic Tibetan language grammar. Today we are in part 30. Of course, in previous video we have learned Nami Tangbo, Nami Nipa, Nami Nipe Nangtsen, Nami Sumba, and today we are going to learn Nami Shibakwe Che. And of course, you can see here preposition is sura, rudu, nalatu, very similar nami, nipa, lesucha. Okay, this is very important to keep in our mind. And of course, we have all the way to an 8, but we will get there. Don't worry. Gradually, we're going to get there. Okay. Today we are going to learn nami shipa kuche. The fourth case is called need and purpose. Namye shipa kuechiki te. The preposition of fourth case, the need or purpose, is Namye shipa kuechiki te. The preposition of fourth case, the need or purpose, is su ra ru du na la do. So we have to remember what is the preposition of namye shipa. Namye shipa preposition is sura ru du na la do. Okay. And namye shipa kwe cheki kudeni. The meaning of the fourth case, the need or purpose, is jawe yuldu, jawa chebe, guba zor tembe, ladin jenshik la sir. A meaning that indicates the main purpose of the action in the object of actions. So, namye nipa, the second case, is very similar, but only different is namye shipa kueche is the sentence is different between these two is Nami Shiba is something like the action that benefit toward the object. So this is only different because Nami Nipa, it only shows the actions toward the object. That's it. It doesn't talk or benefit or harmful. It doesn't talk, But it's Nami Shiba is specific that benefit, helpful, or it has a purpose that indicate it's a namye shipa. Let's go through the example, okay? Namye shipa kuichigi perzini, the example of the fourth case, the need and purpose is. So before we learning the example, please always keep in mind, because namye shipa kuiche is called ladingi twedin, is the 7 Latin preposition, sura, rudu, nalatu, is the same preposition as a nami, nipa, lesuchawa, okay? It's the same. Always we have to remember also the rule, genjukchu, 10 suffix later, and then after the 10 suffix later, what kind of preposition is follow. And these are very important. That's why I kept here all the time. When you look at the sentences, so you'll be able to, oh, this is how it should follow. So this is the reason I always trying to keep here and mark with the color, so that way you don't have to go back and forward. This is the main reason here. Okay, let's start the sentence. Me tok tu chuluk. Me tok la chuluk. So you can see the two sentences. Metok tu chuluk. So you can say metok is a flower. Okay. Tu is the preposition. Why you need here tu? Because suffix ka, whenever there is a ka, always ka and pa, always taship tu. Okay. This is the reason. So you can see, very simple. Chuluk. You say chuluk. Metok is a flower. Tu is a preposition. Chuluk means it's water. So You can see here two sentences. Me tok tu chuluk, me tok la chuluk. So it's la can be replace any sentences because la is more workable, suitable. It's like a free agent. You can put anywhere because when you hear someone talking just like a daily conversation, you always hear a lot about the using a lot. It's very useful. I mean, but when you write, always there is a rule. When you do a conversation, you hear a lot. Okay, but la is called a free agent, and like you can use anywhere. It doesn't have to like follow certain. It has a rule, but it's la is has a there like free agent. You know what I mean? Whenever you feel like to use, you can use it. Okay. Me tok tu chuluk. Me tok la chuluk. Water the flower. So here you can see the sentence. The me tok tu chuluk. For example, why I'm watering the flower? Because if you water the flower will grow, the flower will blossom, the flower turn into so beautiful, so shining, so colorful, you see, because of water. So that case, you can see that watering is really benefit and helpful and needed, and it is a purpose to watering because of those results are so benefit. I mean, it's that's why I call the actions to action, whatever action is benefit toward the object is called namishipa. So that's why it's a watering to the flower is help to grow good flower, blossom, bigger, look beautiful. Okay, check it out. Another sentence says, Dokpo la peki lap. Dokpo is a friend. La is preposition. Peki is Tibetan language. Tu is preposition. Friend is Dokpo. So teach Tibetan language to a friend. So it's teaching the Tibetan language to your friend will be helpful. For example, like if your friend want to travel to Tibet, then of course when you communicate with the people, local people with Tibetan language, you will understand more and helpful. And of course, if you want to learn, if you're good in Tibetan language, of course you can study more Buddhism about in text. So there's a lot of benefit. And of course, it's not only Tibetan language, but any language you learn whenever you travel to the different countries, it will help a lot because language is kind of like make you free to travel easily. If you don't know, then you will get stuck. Then you get everything is wrong. If you get everything is a misunderstand. So language would make you like a light, like a sun. Everything is clear, no confusions. So it has a benefit. Learning language is benefit. So teaching Tibetan language to your friend, it helps. I think so. Okay. Let's another one. Ne taktu mensa. So it's not a net. Ne is an illness. Tak is a cure. Tu is preposition. Men is medicine. Sa is take. So ne taktu mensa. So take a medicine to cure illness. So it's like, why are you taking a medicine? Because I have sick. So I have an illness. To cure the illness, I have to take medicine. So taking medicine is benefit, helpful, needed. It's really, it has a purpose. So therefore, you can see the action of taking medicine is benefit to the object. So therefore, it become a sentence of Namye Shipa. Okay? Ne taktu mensa. If you don't take medicine, it won't heal your illness. And you not get better, right? It get worse, and finally, you will expire your visa, and then you have to go somewhere, heaven, wherever, you know. I'm just joking. Don't be serious. Lui Jesu genchak tak. Lui is the body. Je is look beautiful. Gencha is a jewelry. Actually, gencha is literally it's ornament, but it's ornament also made out of the jewelry, so it's jewelry. Tak is a to wear. To wear jewelry to look beautiful. Is if you are already beautiful, then you put the ornament or jewelry on your body, you look more beautiful. So what is the purpose of wearing the jewelry? Because it's make you more beautiful. That is the main purpose. So it help make you more beautiful. Okay, so therefore it is Namye Shiba Gweche. Nhìn ma tak per little chong. Ninter little chong. So these two sentences is the same meaning, but only I just want you to know that like Ninma Tapper is a very long sentence, but if you want to make this one short, Ninter is a like short one. So also you see here Ra Ninter Nima Takpa is a everyday. Okay, it's called everyday, but since we want to use this preposition, always there is two options, right? For example, if you want to use this ra, this is only we have to use ra. Why I have to use this preposition ra? Because ninta, you can see here, there is no suffix. That's why they call tame. Tame mean is when there is no suffix at all. What you have to use is ra or ru. But we have used ra here, right? If I want to use this one, then you have to make separate. Ninta ru, different sound. But if I want to use ra, it's together. Nintar. Okay, this one also very similar. Ninma takpa, but there is no suffix at all. That's why it's ra is here. And again, if I want to use Rashabjuru, this one, I can make the full stop and then here Rashabjuru. Nima Takparu. So you have option. You want to use this one, Ra, then together, Par and Tar. If you want to use Rashabjuru, then separate. Ninma Takpa Ru. Ninta Ru. Okay? So that's why I just trying to keep this always here. So when you learn the sentences, you want to also not to forget all this rule, to be able to capture, try to remember all this thing. So this is the reason. And also I want you guys to remember that a suffix, when there is suffix and which a preposition has to use. So I always kept here trying to remember. Okay, this is only reason. So here Nima Takper Luzal Jong. So exercising every day will helpful. It benefit. Why benefit? Because it give you long life. It will more keep you healthy. If you're healthy, happy, and of course when you are not feeling sick, that is so benefit at all. That is so much benefit. Okay. So these are all for today, and of course the sentences are very similar to the Namye Nipa in your second case. It's very similar, only the difference is Namye Shiva is something like beneficial, it's benefit, helpful toward the object. So this is only different, and then all the preposition, the way the rule is very similar. Okay, and keep in mind and trying to remember this all the rule, and of course slowly you will get there if you just focus very basic rule. Once we learn all this in Namye, it will really helpful to construct the sentences. Okay, and I will see you in next video. Okay, bye bye, take care.